There is a tool in Photoshop that will make a square with rounded corners like a iPhone app, but it's one of the vector tools and I'm saving that for another tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to build a shape like that with your selection tools because it's a good practice for anything else that you want to do. Let's begin by making a guideline. Because I do want this to be square, I've grabbed my rectangle marquee tool and I'm going to click and drag, holding down Shift to keep it square. And then I'm going to fill this with a color by hitting Option Delete and then Command D to deselect. This is going to be my guideline and you'll understand why in a minute. I'm going to lower the opacity of this layer so it's not overwhelming and create a new layer, and this is the one I'm going to build my button shape on. So first off, I need a rounded corner, which I can't get with my square, so I'm going to come and get my elliptical marquee tool. Zoom in just a little bit here. And I'll begin by just clicking on that top corner and holding down Shift as I drag so that it stays circular. And when I get the curve to whatever angle I feel like it looks good at, I'm going to let go and fill that with color by hitting Option Delete and deselect. So then what I want to do is put a copy of the same circle in each one of these four corners. And you can do that any way you feel comfortable. I'm going to create a selection around that circle and hold down Command Option Shift, which together will make this a copy. Option Command will create a copy, and Shift will let me not move that up or down. It'll just move to the side. So now I have two of these. Now I could keep doing that around the circle, but really what I want is this exact same thing on this side. So now that I've got two of these made, I will grab both of them, holding down Option Command to duplicate and Shift to keep it from moving the other direction, and move it down and deselect. So what I'm doing is just creating selections and filling in bits of this shape one bit at a time. So now with my marquee selection, I could come in here and begin filling this up. So I've just eyeballed and matched up the tops of these couple of circles. And I'm just going around this square with rounded corners doing exactly that. Now I don't need the layer below this, my guideline layer, anymore, so I can get rid of it. Once you have the basic shape, you're ready to go. You can create all of the things on top of this that you want. Remember when we made the circle button? We just created the circle selection to begin with and then left it turned on. We really don't have that option here, so I do need to select exactly this shape one more time, and you can do that with your magic wand tool, or you can use your command key and click on the thumbnail of the layer. That will select everything on that layer. So when you hover over the thumbnail and hold command, you'll get a little marquee symbol by it. So you can do that, or you can grab your magic wand tool and just click inside it.